500. And I was expecting this channel to continue moving down. We are now at this key pivot point where we decide, I think it's probably wise to take these out, where we decide whether we move up higher now into all-time highs, and we have to move into these levels again and then start trending similar to what we did here. This is how the market usually develops, like this. So we have long periods of about 1 to 2 months where we get extended trends. Either we're going to see that, or we're going to get a fake breakout here and continue the volatility and the coiling, also the distribution. So in reality, are we going to get a similar move to January, December last year, where we had this descending channel, a breakout, go back to all-time highs, a rejection, and then get a final distribution before a sell-off? We had a number of black swan events here. We also had the tariff news, which triggered a further sell-off in February, and then we had that final move where we could have bought the final dip. Now, to me, it's setting up quite nicely for that move. We have a lot of reasons why this would fail. Primarily end of year. December is a period where institutions are usually looking to scale out, lock in profits, and then January is typically a better month. And we also see end of December maybe a little bit of a pickup, but typically December isn't really a positive month, and November now is proving to be a bearish or break-even month. If we go to the monthly chart here, I'll take out some of these. Yeah, so it's a bearish month. And when I look at this monthly chart, I don't really feel confident that we're going to move off a wick like this into higher momentum or higher highs. It just doesn't really happen unless there's a strong catalyst, unless we've dipped considerably. And here's an example here: August of 2024, we dipped quite a lot into key support areas for the monthly and the position traders, and then we had that nice discount before we moved up higher. Here as well in April, March, and then we moved up higher. So are we really in a position here where we could say we've had a decent dip that should drive prices higher for S&P 500? Okay, that's something that I'm concerned about. In fact, what I'm seeing is a early buy the dip move. So early buy the dip move, and then further downside potential going into December and the new year. We have to be very cautious here and very, very careful with over enthusiasm at these levels.